Windows 7. Some features of Windows 7. Speed. Windows 7 is more responsive and impressive operating system than Windows XP. Microsoft has also improved desktop responsiveness, which gives the impression that the computer is responding to the user. Along with this, the boot sequence in Windows 7 is faster and prettier than Windows Vista. Compatibility. Compatibility on Windows 7 is better than Microsoft XP and Vista. Many programs installed on Windows XP did not work immediately and required updates, but with Windows 7, almost all applications that work on Vista should still run. Minimum hardware requirements. Windows 7 does not require any extra hardware requirements as others. It can even run well on lower-end hardware, making the shift from Windows XP easy. Microsoft is also providing Windows 7 operating system for netbooks. It provides a modern replacement for Windows XP and Vista. Search and organization. One of the best features of Windows 7 is the improved search tool, which helps to find what we want quickly and easily. For example, type power in search box and it will open up the power option in the control panel. Windows 7 takes the My Documents concept a stage further and introduced the concept of libraries. There are different folders in libraries in which we can add our data in various sections. So now, we don't have to keep everything at one place. Taskbar. Start menu. At first look, the taskbar in Windows 7 looks same as in Vista, but it's a lot more powerful than Vista. By default, taskbar icons are now larger and items are grouped together and are not labeled. Desktop. The first screen which appears after logging into the computer is known as desktop. It is the working area of the computer and contains icons which represent various files and folders. Windows 7 Desktop contains taskbar at the bottom and a start button embedded into it. Some elements of desktop. Icons. Icons are the graphical representation of various applications, files, and folders. They make the applications easily recognizable. We can double-click on any icon to open that application. Example: My Computer icon, Recycle bin icon. Start button. Start button is present at the left corner of the desktop. When we click on this button, a menu will appear which is known as Start menu. Taskbar. The taskbar is the thin strip that runs across the bottom of our screen. It is split into a number of different areas. A round start button, quick launch icons, a notification area, a clock. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a file manager which helps us in managing, searching, and navigating through various applications, files, and folders. To open Windows Explorer, click on Start button. All Programs, Accessories, Windows Explorer. Working with files and folders. With the help of Windows Explorer, we can perform various operations on files and folders such as create, save, rename, delete, etc. Contents of file and folder. In Windows 7, folders are same as containers used at our home. They are used for keeping and organizing files and folders under a common name. Files store a set of information under a name which can be used in future. To create a folder, open Windows Explorer. Select the location where we want to create a folder. Click File menu, New, Folder option. A new folder is created with name New Folder. If we want to change the name, type a new name and press Enter. Creating a file name is same as creating a folder. Files can be of many types like Word file or Excel file. Here, we will create a text file. Now, to create a text file, open Windows Explorer. Select the location where we want to create a file. Click File menu, New, Text document option. A new text file is created with name New text document. Similarly, if we want to change the name, then type a new name and press Enter. Customizing desktop. The new and improved Windows 7 operating system provides a simple navigation and a user-friendly interface. New features enable interactive and easily accessible organization of desktop. By using personalization options, desktop will react and look exactly the way we want. Personalization. Windows 7 features provide a collection of new and enhanced wallpapers and themes that can be used for user personalization. Customization can be done anywhere in the computer, from our wallpaper to the color of our active and inactive windows, as well as a handful of other options. These options can be accessed by right-clicking anywhere on the desktop and selecting Personalize option from the menu that appears. The personalization window will allow to choose from custom or preloaded themes. Gadgets. By default, gadgets will not appear on the desktop. It can be activated by right-clicking on desktop and selecting Gadgets option from the menu that appears. Gadgets such as clock, calendar, weather, etc. can be added, moved, or removed at any time from the desktop. Copying and moving folder or file. To copy a file or folder, open Windows Explorer. Click the file or folder to be copied. Click Edit menu, Copy option. Now, select the location where we want to copy the file or folder. Click Edit menu, Paste option. To move a file or folder, open Windows Explorer. Click the file or folder to be copied. Click Edit menu, Cut option. Select the location where we want to copy the file or folder. Click Edit menu, Paste option. Deleting and restoring a file or folder. To delete a file or folder, right-click on the file or folder that we want to delete. Click the Delete option from the drop-down list that appears. Alternatively, press the Delete key on the keyboard. Click Yes on the confirmation box for deleting the selected item from the disk. Deleted file will be moved to the recycle bin. To restore a file or folder from recycle bin, open recycle bin from the desktop. Right-click on the file or folder that we want to restore. Click the Restore option from the drop-down list that appears. File will be restored to the same location from where it has been deleted. Searching a file or folder. To search for a file, click the Start button. Type the file or folder name in the Search Programs and Files box. The search results will appear. Simply double-click on a file or folder to open it.